What's up, peak timers? It's race day, and today we've got the Corvette ZR1 convertible going up against 6 other extreme supercars. And this is the main event car, the Corvette ZR1 convertible from Hot Wheels. Brand new, beautiful looking convertible. Check out the aggressive lines of that. And it is going up against 6 other supercars. Let's have a look at each one of them. First up, we've got the Dodge Viper Hot Wheels Race Team Edition. Love the graphics on this one, looks really cool. Then we've got the Lamborghini Huracan. Check out the red with the white stripe down the middle. Next up, we've got the McLaren 720S, a very fast supercar. Then after that, we have the Audi R8 Spider Convertible Edition. Look at that. Look at the beautiful lines on the front end of that one. Nice new casting from Hot Wheels. Then we've got the Tanner Fox Edition Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Check out the graphics all around on that one. And last but not least, the Ferrari 458 Italia in yellow. Let's see that old Ferrari go down the track. Which car do you think will beat the Corvette ZR1? How many can that ZR1 beat of all these? We'll find out right now. And here we are, race number 1, Viper versus Corvette ZR1. On your mark, get set, go! And the Corvette ZR1 takes race number 1, Viper facing the wall. Now we've got the Lamborghini Huracan, which is all ready to race. Cars are all lined up. Who's gonna take this one? Here we go, race number 2, on your mark, get set, go! What a close race. The Lamborghini Huracan takes the win with that top speed at the end. That Corvette loses that race. It's 1-1 now, but we've got the McLaren 720S all set, lined up, ready to roll. Here we go, race number 3, on your mark, get set, go! And the McLaren 720S takes the win, putting the supercars up 2-1 against the Corvette ZR1 convertible. It is now Spider versus convertible time. The Audi R8 Spider versus the Corvette ZR1 convertible. Let's see who takes this one. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! The Corvette ZR1 evens out the series with a victory over the Audi R8 Spider. It's 2-2 now. We've got the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Tanner Fox Edition. Let's see if it can take the win over the Corvette, or will the Corvette pull ahead? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Corvette ZR1 convertible takes a win over the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It is now 3-2 for the Corvette. It's all up to the Ferrari now. Can the Ferrari 458 Italia even up it for the supercars, or will Corvette take the victory outright right now? We're gonna find out. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Oh my gosh, that was an amazingly close race. The Corvette looked like it came second, but it got the light, and the Ferrari is very sad about that. So we're gonna rerun them here just to make sure we got the correct winner. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it. The Ferrari does get the win. So if you look at that, we are tied 3-3. So we're gonna need one more race to decide the winner here. Is it gonna be the Corvette, or is it gonna be the supercars? Let's grab another supercar. We've got the Mercedes AMG GT, and that one's gonna go up against the Corvette. This is gonna be the deciding race. Can the Mercedes take it for the supercars, or is it gonna be the Corvette ZR1 convertible? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And there you have it, guys. The Corvette ZR1 convertible takes the win. Those are our losing supercars. and our winning supercars, but the Corvette takes the sudden death win and is our champion. If you guys like Hot Wheels racing, make sure you hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.